A very good morning, sir, and definitely it's a very good morning to have you with us.
Lovely feeling to
Good
be with you,
TV.
ma'am.
And the pioneer of mental health when people were not even thinking about it, and you started and you led from the front, and today the world is speaking.
All blessings.
So we would like to hear more about it from you.
Well, mind, mental health, and human behavior has been a passion for me, both as a profession as well as understanding the closeness of how emotions influence our thought process, our learning in the classroom, our parenting standards, our love for the future of India, our children. Today, we are boasting to the world that we have the largest population of young people in the world. But are we able to completely take care of them? The answer still remains yes, we are trying, but a lot of homework needs to be done. Today, mind and mental health are not only integral but non negotiable component of the best form of Indian education. And I'm proud to say that India's education is the best in the world because we believe in the physical, psychological, social, and spiritual development of our young minds so that the future of the country is about education for all, education for life. Therefore, how we think, how we behave, how we feel about oneself and others around us, be it the family, be it the peer group, be it the teachers, my gurus in life, I think the matter is about what we should not miss out at all. So mind and mental health is not about only one component of a biology. Today it is about every aspect of breathing, living, talking, sharing, and living into the world that is for a better, happy, healthy, and a supported world for tomorrow. I understand that there are children, there are adolescents who go through very difficult times in life because it is part of growing up. It is part of growing up, part of developing, part of understanding one's own personality that we will come across difficulties. Help children to understand that every situation in life is a teacher. Every challenge in life is a teacher. We should not get depressed or anxious or become prone to taking drugs because these are not the mechanisms to face the reality in life. A teacher's role is to help the student face every reality, every situation. Getting the best marks is not the purpose of education. Getting the best ability to cope up with the ups and downs of life is the true essence of education. Because उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे, परेशानियां आएंगी, challenges आएंगे. कहते हैं ना कि केवल यूं ही नैया पार नहीं होती लहरों पे और कोशिश करने वालों की कोई हार नहीं होती है. लगे रहो, कोशिश करते रहो. Your ability to go through the classes, every class till your class 12, moving into the institution of higher learning is our responsibility because these are the stepping stones to life ahead. When we look at life ahead, believe me, it doesn't matter what marks I got in mathematics or what marks I got in geography or English or even subjects like Sanskrit. It is important to learn them, apply them, hands-on learning, gratitude learning, experiential learning, utilizing the hand, the heart and the head for learning. That is true essence of teaching and true essence of learning. How did I enjoy the learning? How did I engage into the learning? How did I empower myself as a human being for this learning? How will I apply it in life? Engineer बनना या डॉक्टर बनना उतना मुश्किल नहीं है जितना इसको निभाना है. How do we apply our engineering sciences, medical sciences, geological sciences, journalism sciences, media sciences? So we are at a time when we need to constantly keep asking questions to ourselves. Are we doing enough for our mind and mental health? Are we doing enough for our people who matter, my family, my parents, my friends, my teachers? So the ability to live life is one thing. The capacity to create lives happy and healthy for everybody around us is a remarkable goal of education. So happy learning to all of you, happy education to all of you, and most importantly, happy being a proud Indian to all of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. The expressions of the capacity of transformation shared by you are going to be cherished by each one of us, and definitely we'll be catching up with
That is why the work I'm doing and the organization which I run is called Expressions India, because I believe in the truest and the genuine and the warmth of our children, and when they express their emotions, nothing should stop them. उनको जो मौका जहाँ भी जैसा भी चाहिए अपने इमोशंस को, अपने थॉट्स को एक्सप्रेस करने का, डेमोक्रेटिकली allow them to give that, that will be the happiest childhood you can do. This is my submission from me and myself on behalf of Expressions India team.
Thank you so much. So, expressions of communications will be remembered by each one of us. Thank you very much.